You are welcome to AppFix and In. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw money on TikTok. So right here is your TikTok app and this is your home page. At the bottom of the screen, you can see your profile icon. So you need to click on the profile icon option right here at the bottom of the screen, and it's going to direct you to your profile on TikTok. Right here is my profile. So this is what you need to do. Click on the three-line icon at the top right corner of your screen. When you do that, looking here, you're going to see the option of balance. Now, if you're not seeing the balance option, I've actually made a video on how to fix balance option not showing on TikTok. I'm going to actually add that video to this video's description, so you can go ahead and watch that video if you're not seeing the balance option right here. So you simply need to click on the balance option like this. Once you do that, you're going to be able to see your total earnings on TikTok. Looking right here, you can see that I don't have enough right here. But clicking on the view option, this card where you can see estimate balance, you can see the option of view. You need to go ahead and click on view in order to view this section. So right here, you can see your live rewards. You need to go ahead and tap on it as well. So in order for you to withdraw your money on TikTok, you can simply go ahead and click on withdraw. You can see the option of withdraw right here. So once you do that, you need to add a payment method. You can only add a payment method by first adding your country, and by adding your country, you'll be able to know the payment method which is available for your country. So I'm going to click on add payment method right here. So right here, you can see where it says country or region. So you need to go ahead and select your country or region. Now let's say you are from Chad. Selecting Chad like this and clicking on continue, you're going to see the available payment method for Chad. Or let's say you are from United States or United Kingdom. Clicking on continue like this, you're going to be able to see the available payment method for United Kingdom, which is actually paper. So looking right here, clicking on paper, you need to go ahead and click on paper like this. A code is going to be sent to your device, so you simply need to paste that code right here to confirm that you are the one that want to place a withdrawal on TikTok. Now after placing the code sent to you, you're going to be able to add a paper account. But this is what you can actually do. After adding the paper account right here, you can see where it says after adding the paper account is actually going to appear right here. If you don't know how to add a paper account, I've made a simple video as well on how to add a paper account. So after adding the paper account is going to appear here where you can see payment method. And looking right here where you can see amount withdrawal, this is where you can actually click and input your amount you want to actually withdraw. Now mind you, the minimum amount you can actually withdraw on TikTok is $100. As you can see here, I already have just few cents on my balance, so I won't be able to place a withdrawal. So the minimum amount to withdraw on TikTok is $100. You need to have at least $100 in order for you to be able to withdraw your money on TikTok. So after inputting the money right here, at the bottom you can see the withdraw option. It is actually showing in a fancy form because I don't have enough balance. So you need to click on the withdraw button and you'll be able to withdraw it into the payment method you've actually added. So this is how simple it is to withdraw on TikTok. You can use the paper method, you can use your bank transfer depending on your country or region. Hope you found this video helpful. Now remember, this channel is really for you. Hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.